Gopal and the Hilsa Fish, Honeycomb, NCERT Text, CBSE, Class 7, English. Now, children, today we are going to learn a new lesson, Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. You must have known different type of fishes, and this Hilsa fish is a different variety of fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish, and fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. So here there was a kingdom where people were very much loving and especially the fishes, and they loved to have Hilsa fish. And fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. The fish lovers also sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. So all are saying that come you buy the Hilsa fish, it is very less. And householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. So they used to only talk about Hilsa fish. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. And in the court of the prince, the kingdom also, they used to speak about Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa. I thought it was. So the people are all talking only about Hilsa fish, and this was something which was not acceptable for the king. So he said that stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? So he says that are you a courtier or fisherman to just talk only about Hilsa fish? The courtier fell silent with downcast eye. The king felt guilty. So king thought that it is very ridiculous to just only talk about the Hilsa fish. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one. So everyone is talking about Hilsa fish. So the king is very much irritated by this particular thing. And only talking about Hilsa is really maddening. Not even Gopal can stop everyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. So even a person called Gopal, who was very intelligent, could not stop everyone from talking. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. So he said that, yes, I can do something for the people so that they may stop talking about the Hilsa fish. Now the king said that not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, even for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. So Gopal said that I could do it. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. So the king said that let me see that you buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring to the palace without anyone asking about it. Can you do it? So the Gopal said that yes, I will accept the challenge, Majesty. So now he asked the king asked the Gopal to just buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without making others to speak about Hilsa fish, only about something else. So the Gopal accepted the challenge. A few days later, why is your face half shaved? So his wife is asking, why is your face half shaved? I am dressing up to buy a fish. So he says that I am just dressing to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? So he is just putting ashes on his face also. So the wife asked, why are you just smearing, means putting ashes on your face? I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. So he again said that I am just dressing to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. Please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? So she says that you can't go like this. It's really disgusting. And how many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. Again, he says that I am just going out to buy a Hilsa fish. It's happened to me, to him. He is gone mad. So now his wife says that he is gone mad, I think. This is what this particular wife said. Now again, Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Now he just started walking towards the palace, and while going, everyone started looking at him, a very strange man, and he is very comical. Mother, look at that man! Isn't that he comical? The mother says that isn't he comical, and he must be a madman. Now the people started talking that he must be a madman. Hush, I think he's a mystic. Vattanana. And when Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. So now when he just reached the court, he said that I just want to see the king. And the guard said that you can't go and see the king. You can't see the king, get away with you. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Now he just started to dance and sing loudly and just showed that he is a stupid man. Instead of inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out of at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. So he said that I just want to see the king. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. So he just brought the guard brought the man to the king. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. So everyone understood that it is Gopal. The man has lost his head. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. So he has lost his head. He must be crazy. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. So now Gopal says that you must have forgotten something. You just think to make you remind something, forgotten something. So what is it? What did I forget? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market of the palace and in the court, not a soul had spoken about the word of Hilsa fish. Now he said that nobody has spoken about the Hilsa fish. All have just spoken about me. See, I have done it. I have made everyone speak only about me, and that shows that everyone has forgotten about the Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. That was the time the king remembered about the challenge. Ha ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. So he said that yes, you have achieved an impossible. I am proud of you. Now, question answers of the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Question number 1. Why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? The king did not want any more talk about the Hilsa fish because it was a season for the Hilsa fish and no one could stop talking about it for ever 5 minutes. He was getting annoyed with all the talks about the Hilsa fish. Coming to the question number 2, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? In order to prove that he was clever, Gopal was asked to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking anything about the fish. Now coming to the question number 3, what 3 things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? Before he went to buy Hilsa fish, Gopal half shaved his face, smeared himself with ash, and wore disgraceful rag clothes. Now, 4th question, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? After he had bought the fish, Gopal reached the palace and told the guard that he wanted to see the king. When the guard did not let him in, he began to dance and sing loudly. When the king heard this and also the comments of the people watching the man sing and dance, he asked for the man to be brought before him. Now coming to the 5th question, explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. No one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought because of Gopal's ridiculous appearances. Some people found him comical, others thought he was a madman, still others thought he was a mystic. They were so engrossed in discussing his appearance that the Hilsa fish went unnoticed. Now here is the true and false. Write true or false against each of the following sentences. The king lost his temper easily. Whether it is true or false, you have to say. The first answer to this is true. And Now the second question is Gopal was a madman. It is not true, it is false. He was just acting as a madman. The third one is Gopal was a clever man. Yes, it is true. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. False. He wore rags so that people would notice them and not talk about Hilsa fish. And the fifth one is the king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. It is false. The king laughed and congratulated Gopal for achieving the impossible yet again. Now, next is the reported speech. In this reported speech, you have to change to reported speech. Why is your face half shaved? Answer is the Gopal's wife asked him why his face was half shaved. Next one is I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal told the king that he accepted the challenge. I want to see the king. Gopal told the guard that he wanted to see the king. Bring the man to me at once. The king ordered the guard to bring the man to him at once. Now coming to the next question, find out the meaning of the following words by looking them up in the dictionary, then use them in the sentence of your own. So some words are being given: challenge, mystic, comic, and next is a courtier and smear. So next is first is challenge. Every difficult situation should be taken up as a challenge and not be run away from. Next is mystic. A mystic from the Himalayas had great words of wisdom to share with the villagers. Next one is comical. Everyone appreciate the comical side of a man. Courtier. Birbal was Akbar's most trusted courtier. Smearing means smearing the forehead with tilak is one of the traditionals of the southern Indians. Now that was the end of the lesson. Thank you.